Yeah, we're going to be lucky this week.
Good morning, Sergeant Kroll. He'll be right in.
Thank you. Sorry?
I should have listened. So,
That whole thing?
yeah, I should have listened.
Yeah, because I read the report there.
It gave me an opportunity to get out and leave.
Yeah, they were taking the vehicle, so.
Yeah. But, I should have listened.
You know, if you were, they would have given you a ride somewhere too. You know, if you would have just said, hey, can I get a ride to somewhere? They would have hooked you up.
I don't know what I was thinking. I was aggravated. I'm not going to let this happen again.
Yeah, you don't want to lose a job, especially a good job like that, $15 an hour.
Yeah.
And you probably can make more. And you can advance through Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's opportunities there. College, they pay for college. And, yeah, that's great.
It's actually good. And I guess it's more like they really sprayed it up.
You supposed to work today?
Yes.
Okay.
I was off Tuesday.
Tuesday. Do you work this afternoon?
No, I work from 10 to 8.
Oh, okay.
So it's like a 10-hour.
Somebody call in and let them know you're not going to be there?
Nope. They gonna call my phone like soon I get out today.
You're going to call, tell them, let them know what happened. Or you don't have to tell them, but you just
let them know what happened.
Yeah, you're available now.
If he was not to give me a personal bond and I have money on my card, would I be able to buy myself out?
Yeah, judge does make that. He has the ultimate decision, on bond and everything. So, but yeah, we can take cards and stuff. Good morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for an arraignment for Romulus PD, correct?
Yes, good morning.
And Sergeant, you're going to sign on this, correct?
Yes.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear affirm the information on the felony complaint and warrant on a Dante Amir Walton -Wright? It's the truth, best knowledge and belief.
Yes.
I'm going to sign the complaint and warrant.
Huh? Yeah, it's a warrant right now that's being taken care of. Yeah, it was signed.
It's a felony too.
Yeah, the prosecutor submitted a warrant. Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense.
I'll explain to you. You can stand up.
State your full name for the record.
Deontay Walton, right?
Mr. Wright, I have a complaint before the court. It's a felony with an alleged offense dated the 3rd of November this year in the city of Romulus. He waived on the attorney.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, he did fill out his court-appointed attorney for his next hearing.
Okay. I signed that and there'll be an attorney present at the next hearing. This is a felony allegation. It's just allegations today. I'm not saying you're guilty. I'm just putting you on notice of the charges formally brought against you. The alleged offense date is November 3rd this year, Merriman Road at Smith Road. It alleges that you're charged with one assault of resisting and obstructing a police officer. They're alleging that you did assault, batter, wound, resist, obstruct, oppose, or endanger Eric Harris, a police officer of the Romulus Police Department, that the defendant knew or had reason to know was performing his duties contrary to 750.81D paren 1. It's a felony that if you're found guilty, you could be sentenced up to 2 years in prison and fined up to $2,000. I want to inform you that you have the right to be represented by an attorney. If you're indigent and can't, through the help of your family or friends, secure the money to hire an attorney, the court could appoint one to represent you if you qualify. I've signed the court-appointed attorney form. You have the right to a trial before a judge or before a jury, but above and beyond all else, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say orally and or in writing can be used against you in court. The next step in these proceedings is what's called a preliminary examination. That's not a trial at which your guilt or innocence to be established. It's a hearing to determine if there's enough evidence to hold you for trial. Since you don't have an attorney present today, I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. I'm going to schedule this matter for what's called a probable cause hearing, and that's going to be November 18th this year at 9:40 a.m. Sergeant, any comments on bond?
Your Honor, he's actively employed at Amazon as a driver. His criminal history doesn't show any violent crimes. We do not have a problem or oppose a personal bond at this time.
Mr. Wright, Walton Wright, your bond is $5,000 personal. Sergeant, case number 20-1627.
Thank you.
And that wraps up this hearing. Do we agree?
Yes.